Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to borrow money from Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Cash App on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, make sure you're on the Money tab. If you don't have a balance, you may see a bank icon instead. Next, scroll down until you find the Borrow option under the available features. Keep in mind that Cash App Borrow is only available to eligible users, so if you don't see this option, it hasn't been enabled for your account yet. If the Borrow option is available, tap on it to see the maximum amount you can borrow. Cash App will also show the repayment terms, including any fees and the repayment due date. Review the loan details carefully, then tap Continue and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your borrowing request. If you don't have access to the Borrow feature, Cash App may require you to build account activity first. This can include regularly using Cash App, receiving eligible direct deposits, or meeting other account eligibility requirements. Once your loan is approved, the money will be deposited into your Cash App balance, and you'll be able to repay it according to the schedule shown in the app. And that's it. So that's basically how you can borrow money from Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.